Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Janice Villama, 29 years old, 2 children, and presently residing at Santa Rosa City, Laguna.
Okay, and what did you finish?
I'm college level.
What course?
I took Bachelor of Science in Education.
Education. Okay, so you took education for how many years?
1 year.
1 year only.
Only.
Okay. Just in case we have employer for you now, who will look after your children?
When I decided to work, my relatives
I will be the one to...
will be the one who will look up my kids.
Okay. Can you tell me about your work experience?
I work as production operator, QC inspector, and sorter in some electronics company of Japanese company and Korean company.
Okay.
I also work as caregiver of old woman by assisting her drinking of medicine.
Okay, and do you have an experience in the house?
Yes, ma'am. I also have experience working in the house.
So your duties there, can you tell me?
I clean the house.
Okay.
I cook. I take care of children.
Okay.
And also I wash clothes.
Okay, so you do all around.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you an ex abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay. How can you manage your homesick?
At first, I could experience homesick, but I will always think that that I do this for my children, and also I focus myself in working.
Yes, okay, to avoid homesickness. And you are already 29, so I guess you will feel in the first time maybe.
That's fine.
Okay. Can you handle taking care of naughty children?
Yes, ma'am. I can handle naughty children because I also have children.
Okay, who are very naughty.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know some children's songs?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a simple English song?
1, little 2, little 3, little Indians, 4, little 5, little 6, little Indians, 7, little 8, little 9, little Indians, 10, little Indian boys.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am, but only Filipino dishes.
But are you willing to learn how
Yes,
to
ma'am,
cook?
I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Okay. Most people in Hong Kong speak Cantonese. Are you willing to learn this Chinese language?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing to learn Cantonese for better communication with my employer.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of a newly born baby?
Yes, ma'am, because I also experience taking care of my own babies.
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to earn for my family and because of their higher salary.
Yes. Okay. Would you like to say anything else to your prospective employer?
Sir, ma'am, if you hire me, I will promise you that I will finish my contract. I will obey you. I will be obedient and trustworthy. I will also love your family and respect them.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.